Okay, so I've got all our rods pulled up. You can see the pistons are all up fairly high. Well, low in the block, but high. You know what I mean. Torqued all of our rod caps. Going to measure our crank. We're going to check bearing clearance on all our rods. And then I'd also like to check, now that I can kind of see them better, I'll come in with a light, check our lobes on our cam and just see what all we have going on. Rod number 1, the camera will focus. Come on. There we go. God, that's about 3.5, 3.1. That is a lot of bearing clearance. And that is piston or connecting rod number 1. All right. Rod number 5. Right at 3 thousandths. That is a lot of clearance for a connecting rod. 6 more to go. All right, so cylinder number 2 connecting rod is about 2.25 to 2.5. Better, still a little loose, especially for a small block Ford. All right, cylinder number 6 is 2.25 to 2.5. All right, cylinder number 3, right about 2.0 on the dot. Two one. All right, cylinder number 7, just about 2.25. All right, cylinder number 4. Ooh, about 2.5. That's a big one. All right, our last rod, cylinder 8. She's got some room. What I'm looking at, 3.2. That definitely would be one of our noisy ones for sure. That's a lot. And as you can see, the discoloration on that is, oh my, that's 8. But they're all not really too nice. So now I have the pistons up far away. Focus camera, thank you. I'm actually gonna turn the camshaft and take a quick look and see what we have going on lobe-wise in there.